2017 F150 built March 2017, 120,103 miles. I got the intake off of this thing. I want to show you guys what the inside of it looks like. It is a 5.0. He's having an intake manifold runner control problem. I'm glad they don't put those on the 21 through, present, but they are on the 17 models. It's the actuator's broken on the inside, so it needs a new intake. But I want to show you. You notice this thing does not have a catch can. There's the PCV hose. There's the PCV valve, connects to the intake. I'll show you the inside of that intake and why you need a catch can. Here's the intake. There's an actuator rod right there. The one on the other side is broken. But if you look, roll this thing over. See all that buildup? 120,000 miles. Let me show you the inside. This is where the throttle body goes. See all that down inside there? That's what collects inside your intake. So the air goes through and then up and then out. And it builds up. So the crusty buildups. Look at all that in there, all on one side. Let me move this over to this side. See it all moving and puddling over? All running over to one side. Gross. And all that gets down on the intake valves and the intake runners. Now, it's not so much of an issue on the valves. See here, the valves are clean. But see, the beginning of the intake runner is getting kind of caked up. So this being port injected, they didn't come out with direct and port until 2018. But the valves are clean. But see all that schmoo and stuff on the side of the intake runner? That cakes up on the inside of the intake. That's why you need a catch can to keep it doing from on the inside of the intake, because eventually the intake will clog up. So the PCV system that comes, this is the front of it, comes from the passenger side valve cover to here, blows it back in there, and this is the one from the passenger or driver side. You get most of it on this side. Eventually, all this will clog up. See how it starts to get caked up? And if you never clean it, it'll get clogged up. Get a catch can, keep all that stuff clean. It's from that lovely 3-letter agency that everybody loves. I'm not gonna say who it is. But it recirculates it back in, puts it inside here. Just puddle of goo. I'm gonna stick my hand in there. And eventually goes in there. So what the catch can does is it catches these oil vapors when they get heavy and falls in the can and lets air pass. It keeps all of this schmoo out of your intake, keeps it clean. So that's why I recommend getting a catch can. Always recommend getting a catch can, whether you got direct port or direct and port. Keep that intake clean. It'll keep it from clogging up inside here. It'll keep that from getting caked up. The injectors on a port injected like this one do keep the valves clean, so that's not an issue. But we want to keep that intake inside there clean too. So that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.